What's up, guys? It was 2 weeks back again. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to do a quick video on the Scrubnutz industrial cleaner. This is by the guys over at Benchmark Abrasives, who are a channel sponsor of mine. So I just want to make sure that's clear and evident, because if I don't, the trolls will point that out to me. So what I have here are some older Snap-on battery operated tools. These are nickel cadmium battery driven, powered, whatever you want to call it. And they work. And I'm going to do another video on these. So if you guys are interested in seeing these things back in action, let me know. So I have the 1/2-inch drive here, which is the CT3850DEM, David Echo Mary. And then we have the CT3110. This is a 3/8 drive one. So figured I'd do a quick little video, just kind of clean these up. I cleaned the 1/2-inch drive one already, and it looks good, as you guys can see on camera. Sorry. I live by a major thoroughfare, and the idiots with their little whatever you want to call them, Hondas, will be politically correct, are racing by, primarily probably high school students, because they're so fast. But yeah, the Scrubnutz stuff, I've been using it. Now I will admit, most hand cleaners are not terribly far off one another in terms of what they can offer. All right, so it's one of those things. It's hard to say. You can't go on record and say, well, oh my God, this stuff is so awesome, because they typically are going to operate or function or clean fairly similar. More or less, you look at like the towelette that they come with. In this case here, the Scrubnutz brand has a textured towelette, and so that helps to kind of remove dirt and grit and oil and grease and whatever else your meat sticks have been touching. And then the smell is another thing, right? And then I guess probably the feeling of your hand thereafter. No one likes a greasy hand, especially if you're working with hand tools all day and you want to wipe something down. Your wives may like it at the end of your work shift, but you won't like it during your work shift. So I don't really have a whole lot to judge them by, other than just their ability to clean. Do they do what they say they do? And that's what I look for. I don't want to embellish it. I just want to be honest, and then go from there. Let you decide. Another thing probably would be cost. Looking at the cost. I don't know what these cost. I never looked them up. I know it's new for them. And it makes sense that they would offer something like this. I mean, you're going to get dirty using all of their abrasives, so why not offer a cleanup solution for the operator? So that makes perfect sense. So there you go, guys. So these power tools, one of them has been used. I think this one here was fairly new. It had very limited use on it. But the other one, the 1/2-inch drive, has seen or experienced more use before I got my hands on it. But I mean, they clean up really well. So the Scrubnutz brand by Benchmark Abrasives works as it should. I mean, I can't say anything bad about it. It does what it needs to do. It has a pleasant scent or aroma. It is fast. It doesn't require excessive amount of rubbing, although you guys see me rubbing a lot, because I'm just trying to make sure I got everything off. But it does a good job. It captures the dirt within the towelette, and then if there's enough moisture remaining in the towelette that you can wipe down your hands when you're all said and done. So yeah, guys, check out the Scrubnutz industrial hand wipes, cleaning wipes. There's approximately 110 in the container. They're 8x12-inch, 110 cleaning wipes. And then there's your information about the company there, Benchmark Abrasives, benchmarkabrasives.com. Follow them on Instagram. If you would be kind, let them know that Midwest 2 Review recommends them, and that he does in fact like them, because I do like them. I love a cleaner. I love stuff to keep my tools clean. And I guess for those that matters, probably made in the USA with global source materials, which, you know, can't get away from that. So that is the way that it is. But somebody in the USA is making some money, so that's all that we really care about, right? So all right, guys, check out Scrubnutz. They work really well. I recommend them. And that's all I have to say. All right, guys, peace.